Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Since Italy invented pasta, all other countries have to pay a royalty of $5 per ton of pasta consumed. It's okay if you are not where you want to be yet. Every step forward is progress. It rains sand in parts of the Saharan desert. Easter Sunday was on a Monday till 1972. Tristan is a French name meaning a person who is not French. Electronic stores 1989 versus 1998. In its early years, the regulation MLB baseball was the size of a grapefruit, hence Grapefruit League. The Flatiron Building, New York 1917 versus 2012. The past tense of spritz is sprats. Hong Kong's Kowloon Peninsula 1964 versus 2016. Dutch employees get 6 hours of breaks in an 8-hour shift. Chew raw ginger or sip ginger tea to ease nausea, improve digestion, and prevent motion sickness during travel or after meals. A hippo's bite can snap a pumpkin like a grape. Here is what 1800 psi looks like. Owning a cat is linked to a lower risk of heart attacks. 113 years ago today, Titanic sank, claiming the lives of 1,500 people. Just by having overnight soaked moong daily in morning helps in reducing body weight, lowers bad cholesterol. It also helps to make skin glowing and bright. This girl's childhood dream finally came true. Sunflowers can grow healthy seeds without being pollinated using a process called parthenogenesis. In China, KFC has self-driving cars that deliver food without any human help. Experts created shipping pallets from coconut shell waste and it could save 200 million trees a year. If you only knew the magnificence of 3, 6 and 9, then you would have the key to the universe. 1 acre of hemp grown in one season yields as much paper as 4 acres of trees. Do not train a child to learn by force or harshness, but direct them to it by what amuses their minds so that you may be better able to discover with accuracy the peculiar bent of the genius of each. Black holes are not the end. New research indicates they are tunnels, not bottomless pits. How to use chopsticks. There is a see-through book weight that will keep your hands from cramping up when you're reading a heavy novel. Book on Book was invented when a Japanese designer got tired of using his phone and wallet to hold pages open while he ate. Pull-ups, where to place the weight on your hands. Stephen Hawking found his undergraduate work ridiculously easy to the point where he was able to solve problems without looking at how others did it. Even his examiners realized that they were talking to someone far cleverer than most of themselves. Lisa Leslie, as a high school basketball player, scored 101 points in 16 minutes of play. She shot 37 of 56 from the floor and 27 of 35 from the line. However, she did not break the record for women's points in a high school game. In the 16th century, women wore velvet wizards, ghoulish black masks to protect their skin from the sun and add mystery. Behind the mouth slit, there was a small bead that the woman would bite to hold the mask in place, effectively making her faceless and mute. Kano Jigoro, the legendary founder of judo, despite being a smaller man, he could toss large men with ease, but only after persistent studying and practice. On his deathbed, he asked that he be buried in a white belt instead of black belt. He wanted to be remembered as a learner, not a master. Gertrude wanted to swim across the English Channel and trained with a male swimmer who had himself failed to swim it 22 times. He thought it was too much for any woman swimmer. In 1926, Gertrude swam across it in a controversial two-piece suit and bet the record of 5 men before her by 2 whole hours and in choppy conditions. Nakio, a mixed breed dog from Nebraska, has become the first dog fitted with 4 prosthetic limbs. He was abandoned in a foreclosed home and was found frozen into a puddle of ice water. 10 things you will regret not starting today. Taking care of your mental health, investing in your personal growth, setting clear goals for your future, building better habits, spending time with people who inspire you, saying no to things that drain you. Focusing on your strengths instead of your flaws. Taking action on that idea you have been overthinking. Practicing gratitude daily, prioritizing your happiness and well being. Thanks for watching.